What's up, guys? We have a brand new feature with our VR tuned iFlash that we just released. So we're plugged into this Can-Am X3 from Starlight Bars, and basically our iFlash we use for flashing these cars via the diagnostic port can now do trouble code reading and clearing. So it's a pretty cool feature. Basically is you have the ability to program the ECU as normal, but now when you click on Diagnostics, you can choose to read trouble codes. So it brings up the code. Doesn't give you a description, a detailed description, but you can find this code and Google it, see what it is, and then if it's something that needs to be cleared so you're not stuck in limp mode, or just it's been fixed and needs to be reset, you just go to clear trouble codes, and fault memory has been successfully cleared. So brand new feature, available from VRTune with our iFlash. So yeah, not only do we do ECU tuning, but we have this available, and of course the cables are an optional purchase. You can get a regular ECU flash from us, or purchase the cable for $185, and that'll let you do the flashing between your stock and tune file, as well as use the trouble code clearing abilities. So if you have any questions, hit us up, drop us an email, visit vividracingutv.com, send us an email, utv@vividracing.com, and we'll see you at the next one.